for trimming birds' beaks, I like to use a combination of nail trimmers. I also use for smaller birds just regular human nail clippers. Also, we have a small pair of wire cutters too. For healthy beaks, or healthy birds anyway, if there are unhealthy birds and their beak is very brittle, I don't use those because I don't want to risk breaking their beak. Usually if the bird's beak is unhealthy, they're very dry and brittle looking. They're kind of really flaky. So whether they're healthy beak or not, I will use this Dremel and just basically grind it down to what we need. Basically, we just restrain the bird, and if we need sedation, we can use some gas anesthesia. So we like towels, so that way they have something to chew on other than my fingers. And then for holding birds, you want to make sure you restrain their head because you don't want to squeeze their body because they have air sacs that you don't want to cause them not being able to breathe proper. I'm going to start with your beak. Up. Most of the time birds, if they're otherwise healthy and on great nutrition, they don't need their beaks usually trimmed. But occasionally they can have their top beak get overgrown, so it makes it difficult for them to eat. Otherwise, sometimes their bottom beak will grow crooked, and obviously they get kind of like a scissor beak, and then it's really hard to chew and grab their food as well.
Hi, if you're watching on YouTube, consider subscribing to the Great Companions YouTube channel for helpful and fun videos featuring our feathered friends. And check out our website at greatcompanions.com for bird-friendly toys, treats, and food.